What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Just here chilling out around Hollywood and Highland. You're checking out the scenes. It's a great day out. Want to check out some shoes, Shoe Palace, Foot Locker, maybe Marshalls. Just see what's going on. If you guys like the video, enjoy it. Make sure you smash the like button, of course. And subscribe to the channel if you are new with notification bell on to be updated every single time I put out some content. Without further ado, let's get into the video, you dig? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see, I got Foot Locker behind me, which means I'm on Hollywood Boulevard, Hollywood and Highland. Just about to go ahead and check out a few things, see what's going on in House of Hoops here. 602 for the ladies, then we're gonna head over to Shoe Palace and maybe check out Marshalls once again. The same as usual, man. Hopefully we find some heat. If you see something you like, make sure you leave a like and say something in the comment section, you dig? They still, I don't know if they restocked, but they said they had a few more sizes in these PG3 NASAs if you guys are out there looking for these still. And the quality on these look pretty good, bruh. I don't know what size this is. This is a 9.5. If this is something you guys been looking for, you guys can't find it, go ahead and hit me up, man. DM me on Instagram or Twitter, you know what I'm saying? Links to the description. Oh yeah, that's what I want to tell y'all. In the description box below, I wanted to tell you guys, in the description box below are links to buy some shoes that you guys see in the video. So go ahead and check the description box. You might see a shoe out there, a link to a shoe you might want to cop. So go ahead and check that out below, you dig? Classic shoe right here. They got these at the House of Hoops. These Huaraches, I believe, these trainers. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire or trash. Retail on them is $125. Haven't seen this colorway in a while for some reason. It feels like I haven't seen it in a while. Looks pretty dope though. What do you guys think? I feel like this is a newer model, newer colorway. What do you guys think about this shoe in the comment section below? This is the Edge 270. 160 is the retail price point. Different type of 270 with the straps. If you guys are a fan of these or not, let me know down below, you dig? They still got everything. They still got Mamba Mentalities. They still got Rockets, NASAs, All-Stars, Kobe's, ADs, PG3 Mamba Mentalities. Let me know. The LeBron 16 Martins, very fire colorway. Let me know what y'all think about these bad boys. They still got the LeBron 16 Soundtracks, Pro Tros, LeBron 3s. This is a new, okay, Air Force One. Is this like a baseball theme? Is this what that's supposed to resemble on the tongue right there? Like a Dodgers situation? I don't know. What do you guys think about these Air Force Ones with that satin on the back? I'm not mad at these, man. The colorway's pretty dope. And then the next thing we're gonna talk about real quick is this KD 12 right here. This colorway's pretty fire. House of Hoops exclusive, I believe. If you guys own a pair of the KD 12s, I'm about to call them 11s. If you guys own a pair of the KD 12s, let me know what you guys think about them on court. That outsole is looking pretty fire, bruh. We're gonna have to actually try these on one day and maybe do an on-court review or something. 150 price point is not bad. I feel like they're gonna be at the outlets ASAP based on videos that I've been doing. Seeing all these fire shoes go to the outlets is only a matter of time. But this colorway is fire. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. This just hit the streets. The LeBron 16 Low Triple Black. What do you guys think about this? I mean, it almost looks like that. I think that's like navy blue with the black, so maybe it's not a triple black. You guys a fan of this one or not? 160 is the price point on them. Cop pass, fire or trash, as they are right by the king's chair, if you will. This colorway just dropped though. What do you guys think about this? Down below in the comment section, you dig? So we are here at Hollywood and Highland. This is the only size they have left of this LeBron 16. What do you guys think about this, man? It's crazy. I like how the laces go to the back of the shoe like that. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of this LeBron 16. It's pretty cool. I like the concept and the theme about it and what this shoe is about. But I don't know, man. It's really heavy. This is a size 13 right here, so this is my size. And this thing looks crazy big. I really didn't, you know, when you have a size like this, you don't really realize how big your feet look. But when you see it on display in like a new shoe, it just looks crazy big like this one does, man. That's wild. If you guys own these, let me know that too. I want to know how many people actually went after these and copped them. How many more LeBron 16 releases will we get before the season's done? You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of good on these though. It's crazy how we saw all of these at the outlets already, except for this colorway. Haven't really seen this colorway in person. It's like the gray colorway. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? But it's funny, man. I really didn't think the 720s would be hitting the outlets so heavy right now. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about this colorway of this shoe right here? Not too bad. $130 retail price point. We have seen these also at the outlets too, but not this colorway. I think this colorway is pretty dope out of all the ones that I have seen. If you guys own a pair of these, let me know what you guys think. They got this new type of theme going on with these Air Force Ones. If you guys are a fan of it, let me know in the comment section below. Me, myself, you know, not too big a fan of Air Force Ones. These go for 100. But you know, they are pretty cool, and they got some other colorways right there, pretty dope for the summertime. They still have some of the Nike Day series. They got a lot of good shoes here, man. At this Foot Locker Hollywood and Highland. If you guys are in the area, you definitely need to come out here and check it out. So I see they're trying to do something different with the D-Rups. I'm not mad at this attempt right here. This might add a little pizzazz to it. What is the retail on that? 110, maybe they need to go a little bit lower on it. Maybe the technology has stepped up, but this D-Rup is definitely better than the ones that we have seen in the past. If you agree, smash the like button. If you don't, let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this overall, you dig? They also have them in the white and black colorway too. I think the black colorway is a little bit better, but everybody has their own opinions. Which one do you guys like out of the two? Pretty dope, man. I think they might come out with some dope colorways of this, and it might bring the D-Rup back, because that first one was kind of trash to me. I definitely have to say I'm surprised to see this, ladies and gentlemen. The Game of Thrones Ultraboost is on sale for $149. This is crazy. $149? Are you out of your mind? Wasn't this like $180 before? I'm surprised. I called earlier too, or yesterday, to see if they had this particular one, because somebody asked about them, and they said they didn't have them at all, that they sold out. But you could tell that person didn't even look or check. Come on, you guys, you gotta step up your customer service. But anyway, I'm surprised to see this on sale already. This is supposed to be a hype shoe, along with all the other ones. But this is the only one left out of all the Game of Thrones too. They don't have the other ones. These ones here. What's going on here? You guys see these ones? These would have never been on sale 2 years ago. $149 for these, the silver, the gold ones also, and the bronze. All of them is $149 on sale right now. That's pretty crazy. A lot of Boosts on sale right now. Boost is on sale. Hollywood and Highland Foot Locker. If you're looking for some, come and get it, man. $149 for these two. This colorway is not bad at all, bro. They still got this stuff on deck too. If y'all are interested, anybody here looking for these superheroes, fire collection they got, just not for me. You know what I'm saying? These are pretty cool, man. I'm not mad at these, but just, you know, I don't know. I haven't tried them out yet. If you guys have, let me know what they're like on the court, you dig? I seen somebody hooping in these the other night in the NBA. These T-Macs, pretty fire, you know what I'm saying? Old school, coming back to the new school, you dig? T-Mac. Does this look like T-Mac? I don't think so, but just my personal preference. Like that right there for sure don't look like no T-Mac. Who the hell is that? Like Curry on steroids? What the? You got the Dames. Dame's killing them right now. Western Conference Finals. How far will they go this year, guys? Let me know. We got to show these again. I mean, just pay respects to them because they are, this is a fire shoe. The James Harden Iron Man Volume 3. Pretty dope. Not mad at these at all, bruh. Not mad at these at all. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire, or trash? I said we got some Harden Volume 3 fans out there watching too, so I'm gonna show y'all some more heat to that because this is a fire one too. Probably, I think, the best colorway besides that Iron Man. A lot of people like the black and gold one too that I'm gonna show you guys next, but this one right here is pretty exquisite. No? Okay. These Hardens, the gold ones right here, is the next one that a lot of people do like a lot. I think this one is pretty fire. Is this the All-Star one? I'm not too sure. The Harden Withers are pretty dope. I wonder if those are actually gonna drop. Let me know what you guys think, which Harden colorway is the best one that you guys have seen this far this year. The black one right there, and then you got this one right there, which is cool, but I'm not really big on this one. Maybe you might be though. Let me know what you guys think. What's the best Harden Volume 3 colorway? Pod S3.1s. We definitely seen these colorways before. You know what I'm saying? What's the retail on them? 100. We've seen these at Marshall's. I got a video dropping that you guys might have seen these at Marshall's for like 49 bucks, man. What do you guys think about this NMD right here with the flowers going on, representing like that South Beach theme, like a summertime colorway or something like that? I'm not mad at this at all. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. Pretty fire though. Now we saw these at Marshall's 2 in Santa Clarita in a different colorway. This colorway is pretty fire too. I'm not mad at it, even though it has a lot of white on the midsole. Pretty dope shoe, nice summertime spring colorway. What do you guys think about this down below? And this is retailing for $100. That's pretty dope, man, not bad. Okay, I'm not sure what Converse is doing. I don't know if these are Don C's. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. Is this a cop pass, fire, or trash? The materials on here are definitely different. I'm not too sure what to say about these, bro. Like some type of futuristic space things. I'm actually good on them myself, but you know, I want to show y'all because this is something new. They retail for $120. What do y'all think about these in the comment section? They got them in 2 colorways. They got this colorway. I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. I'm good on them, but let me know if you guys like them. And I do know we got some talented creative fans out there, right? What do y'all think about these? Are you guys copping these, passing on them? Are they fire or are they trash? Let me know in the comment section below, you dig? All right, we gotta talk about these real quick. These is a classic. These are classic shoes, in my opinion, these Grant Hills. This colorway is a classic colorway. But the next colorway that I like of them, which I think is super fire, is this black and white colorway. You know what I'm saying? Out of the 2 colorways, which one do you guys like more? Shout out to all the Fila heads that are watching. I know we have a few of those. These are not bad though. Not bad at all. Pretty fire, bro. Fila trying to, you know, sneak back in the game a little bit with their old school shit. What do you guys think though in the comment section? So like I said, we're gonna start showing love to women also, showing a little more light on some of the female sneaker shoes that are out there. If I said that wrong, forgive me. I'm about to go upstairs in Hollywood and Highland to the women's 602. Hopefully they got some things in there for the ladies also. Fellas, give me your opinions on these shoes as well. Let's go ahead and see what's in here, you dig? Real quick look at the kids section. They still got these bad boys on deck, and these ones are not bad either. I have never seen this colorway before, this Air Max 98. What do you guys think about these? In the comment section below for the kids, man. I'm telling you, they be getting some fire colorways. I know women can wear this size too. And of course, these go just without being said. We all know these are fire, man. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? And do you own a pair? What do you guys think about these Prestos? These are new. They just came out, I believe, today. I might be wrong, but I know they have a lot of different colorways that are dropping in this shoe right here. Are you guys a fan of the new Presto model, or are you guys more of a classic Presto? You know, they switch them up so many times out here. This new model is not bad. It got a little, like, the React look to it. You know what I'm saying? With a little bit like a Huarache look to it. You know, I'm not mad at what they did here. But what do you guys think in the comment section below? So, as we are here in the ladies' Foot Locker, I think I called it 602. This one is new, the new Vapor Max Plus for the ladies. This definitely has like a rainbow sherbet type of flavor going on to it, if you guys ask me. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Ladies probably judge this a lot more than the guys will. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this shoe, and timestamp it so I know exactly what shoe you're talking about. Now, this is a new colorway of the 720s for the ladies. Cop pass, fire, trash. 180 retail on this. This colorway is pretty smooth, man. It's definitely a springtime, almost like an Easter type of thing. Ladies, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below. 180 price point. Let me know what you think. I really don't have a judgment on this one. For me, you know what I'm saying, I don't know, but what do you guys think in the comment section below, you dig? I think we definitely have seen these before, but I had to pull them off the shelf to get the ladies, you know, thoughts on these, because this colorway is pretty fire in my opinion. I like those for girls. And I think a lot of girls might like this, but I could be wrong. That's why I'm doing this. And, you know, forgive me. I'm a fella. I'm a guy trying to give you my thoughts. See if the ladies agree, you dig? Not too bad. Wish they had some more 3M on it, but what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Ladies, you feeling these or not? So I stepped on the scene here at Shoe Palace Hollywood and Highland just to come through and see what's going on, show you guys what they got in stock if you guys haven't been here in a while. They got a good selection as always. Air Max galore, Vapor Max. This is a new colorway of the 720 that I have yet to see. I think this has been out. I think maybe it's the first time I'm seeing this in hand. What do you guys think about this? It's in the men's section, so I guess it comes in men's sizes, but I feel like this is a woman's shoe. So give me your thoughts and opinions, of course, you know, down below in that comment section. Okay, Fila, I see what you're trying to do here. What do you guys think about this? Give me all the thoughts and opinions on this bad boy. Cop pass, fire, or trash. You already know what it's trying to look like, and it's almost looking like them. Fila heads out there and sneaker heads out there alike. 84 bucks. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? One thing about the Fila comeback, Fila's definitely trying to make a comeback. A lot of different silhouettes, a lot of different models. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? Not a bad colorway for this New Balance right here. It would have been dope if they had the Kawais. I don't know if those even came out yet. Let me know what you guys think about these though overall. Cop Pass, fire or trash. Of the Ultraboost 19, Cop Pass, fire or trash. Kind of have like that red going on, a reddish orange. Not too bad. They're trying to add little things to it, little features, switch it up a little bit. I'm not mad at it. If you guys own a pair of these, let me know what you guys think and how have they been serving your feet, you dig? Here's another colorway in like the olive green. Not too much a fan of this. But what do you guys think? You have to let me know what you guys think, of course. Different type of New Balance. I had to throw this in here. Kawhi is gonna make New Balance kind of pop now. And I want to, I have been seeing some pretty cool colorways. New Balance is always a classic shoe. This one right here is trying to do a little too much for me. I'm liking the colorway, but I feel like it's, I don't know, it's not really like a New Balance. It's almost like an Adidas. But let me know what you guys think. I'm liking the upper, and the color combination they use is not that bad. What do you guys think about this colorway? Thoughts and opinions on these. Cop Pass, fire or trash. I'm liking the black with the colors too. That's cool. All black shoe with these hints of the other colors is not bad. They got these nice colorways of these Air Max 1s and Air Max 90s. I want to know what you guys are thinking in the comment section below. Any one of these stand out to you more than the other one does? I'm not mad at these colorways though. These are all pretty pristine, pretty clean. You know what I mean? I think I might like this one out of most of them because it don't have as much white. But again, all the colorways are fire indeed. They got different materials on here. Got some suede and leather. What do you guys think about these? Are these butter, baby? Cop Pass, fire or trash? I mean, for some reason I'm drawing a blank, and I don't remember these releasing. I'm drawing a blank. I'm pretty sure they did PG 2.5. I feel like this didn't release, but I could be wrong. If you're somebody in the video who owns this pair, let me know. If you have seen this colorway before, let me know what it is, when it released. Because I don't remember seeing this colorway. I remember seeing this type of theme on the PG 2.0 or whatever. I don't remember on the 2.5. I don't know, bro. It's just standing out for some reason. And that's gonna wrap it up, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you've seen something, you gotta say something in the comment section. Timestamp it so we know what we're talking about. If you want, there's some shoes in the description box. There's always links to purchase shoes you might see in the video. I'm gonna always include that in the description area below. So if you see something you like, there might be a link to it in the, in the description box, or just hit me up on Instagram or Twitter and we can talk about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.